Welcome. Digestive system. What is digestive system? The mechanism which helps our body to digest the food is known as digestive system. The breakdown of complex substances into simpler substances is called digestion. Buccal cavity. Tongue mixes the saliva which breaks sugar into starch. Teeth helps in chewing the food. Esophagus. The swallowed food passes into esophagus or food pipe. Approximately the length of esophagus is 25 centimeters. The food goes to stomach through the food pipe by a downward movement. This movement is known as peristaltis. Stomach. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. The digestive juices in the stomach break down the proteins into simpler substance. It is a flattened J-shaped thick-walled bag-like structure. The food is partially digested in the stomach. Small intestine. The small intestine is longer than the large intestine. It is about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from liver, pancreas, and also from its own wall. The food reaches the lower part of the small intestine where the complete digestion occurs. Thus, the small intestine is the most important part of alimentary canal. Carbohydrates are converted into simple sugars like glucose. Fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol. Proteins are converted into amino acids. Large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long and it is wider and shorter than small intestine. It absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid substances. These substances are later removed by the process of egestion. Summary. The breakdown of food into simpler substances is called digestion. The various compartments in the digestive system is known as digestive tract or alimentary canal. Small intestine is the place where the food is completely digested. Thank you.